C'est quoi Planète Gibbous. C'est qu'on a l'île et
Boston. You're going to hear we're from Boston a lot this weekend because I believe there are 4 bands from Boston. So it made transporting all our equipment really interesting. But we're super thrilled to be here. So we're all familiar with the Honk Festival in Somerville. It's so wonderful to see this kind of community spread through this country. And wonderful to have a safe space for women, for queer folks, for trans people, for people of color. You can't challenge us on one thing. I'm a person of color and Honk's very white. So we can do better, but I'm confident that the foundation is here. But there's so much more to it, right? This band spans like 40 years, 50 years age-wise. All our bands have people, you know, who just started out in the last few years, all the way to people who are professional musicians. We got Ed here playing for the Mouse over in California for Mickey Mouse over there. So it's a big range. And it's just awesome to see all this. So we're super thrilled to be here. We're going to keep playing some more music.